I'm Lorraine Corriveau. I'm a veterinarian here at Purdue University's Veterinary Teaching Hospital, and I work in the small animal community practice as a wellness veterinarian. I think probably the most interesting thing that I was not aware of or unexpected that I actually enjoy quite a bit is actually a lot of media stuff. So I get to interact with the media and to allow me to educate the public. It's also gotten me, I do a radio show once a month where I have call-in. They call in and ask me questions about their pets, so it's something that I never really thought I would be doing when I went through vet school. I also now am writing a article in Hello Magazine once every 2 months. So just things I never thought that I would be doing with my career, I actually am. So I think that's probably one of the interesting things. And I guess being a general practitioner veterinarian is a little bit different, and so probably, and since I do see exotic animals, one of the big questions I always get from people is, what's the most interesting animal you've seen? And so my two answers for that is I did see a wallaroo once, so part kangaroo, part wallaby, so that was quite interesting. And then I did see a piece of coral, so I had a coral that had some parasites on it that people brought in for me to take a look at and treat. My mom actually wanted to be a veterinarian, but she was the oldest of 6 kids in a relatively poor family, and so she still works in the medical field, but human medical field versus veterinary medicine. And so I think that's probably where the underlying kind of aspects were, but never, had I thought about it until there were some high school students coming over to the elementary school, and I think I was in like 5th or 6th grade, and they pulled us out into the hallway one at a time and kind of did like a little interview. And of course one of the questions were, what do you want to be when you grow up? And of course my answer was a veterinarian, and I guess that's what I've always answered from then on. And so I never really had any other thoughts. I think when going through school I knew veterinary medicine was competitive, so actually my fallback to veterinary medicine was a pediatrician. So I think people find that interesting as well, but maybe because I don't like my patients to tell me what's wrong with them, I like to figure it out. I don't know. But so that's always kind of been my career goal, and it's never really kind of deviated from that. I think I'm a little bit unique because most students that go to college do change their major 1, 2, 3 times over the course of their college career, and basically I did 2 years of undergraduate, and then I was early accepted into the vet school here at Purdue, and so I don't have an undergraduate degree, a BS degree or anything. I really have my DVM, so I think that's another unique aspect that Purdue offers that maybe some other schools don't offer.